Hey guys, sorry that I've been away, but I'm back. I'm back with another video, so we're just going to get right into it. Hey, so this is all the ingredients. We have our salmon steak, our Creole seasoning. We have our jerk seasoning, but you can also use a different brand if you like. I have some brown sugar. I have some fish seasoning, but you guys can use a different brand. So I'm going in with 1 spoon of brown sugar, just like that. Then I'm going in with some jerk seasoning. I'm going in with about a spoon, maybe a quarter more, but you guys can add more or less depending on how you like your food spicy. Then I'm going in with some Creole seasoning. Then I'm going to be going in with some fish seasoning. Then I'm going in with some black pepper. Sorry I didn't mention this earlier, but you can go in with some black pepper or like brown white pepper as well. Then I'm going in with some vegetable oil. And I'm just going to be mixing this so I can get like a nice paste to go on top of the salmon and to coat it all around. The jerk seasoning definitely give it like a nice look. So now I'm just going to be brushing the paste all over the salmon. Make sure you get inside the crease. Make sure you get it on the skin. Some people like to eat it, so it's your preference. Then when I'm done with that side, I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to be taking my hand and just like try to rub the remainder of the paste onto the salmon just to make sure it's getting all the flavor. And you can let this sit and marinate if you want, but it's up to you, or you can make it right away. So I'm going in with some butter. You guys can use vegan butter. You guys can use whatever butter that you want. I'm using the Land O'Lakes butter. And I'm just making sure I have the butter all over it. Then I'm going to be cooking this on medium-high for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going to be flipping it and doing the same thing, letting it sit for about 3 minutes. Then I'm going in with the remainder of the paste, top of the salmon. I want it to be combined with the butter. And I'm making sure both sides get touched as well. So once some of the the paste and the butter get combined, I'm just like drizzling it all over the salmon. So you guys can eat this with whatever you want. If you have like potatoes, vegetables, I don't know, pasta, rice, whatever, just eat it with that. My preference was to use some like rasa pasta, so that's what I'm going to be using. But I'm gonna fill up my plate all the way because I want to be fat. So you guys can like use rice or whatever, your portion doesn't matter, but this is some big salmon and I just want to eat a lot today. And there you go. Let me know how it came out for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And rest in peace to my little brother. I love you and I'll never forget you. Peace, Sandre.